Are you ready to experience the thrill of driving electric? Get ready to meet the Vauxhall Corsa Electric, the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology, modern design, and effortless power. Introducing the Vauxhall Corsa Electric Anniversary Edition, a limited edition beauty that celebrates the best of our Corsa and Nova models, embodying our shared heritage and promising a sustainable future. But let's talk about what powers this remarkable car. The Corsa Electric is powered by a next-generation 50 kWh lithium-ion battery, giving you the freedom to drive up to 222 miles on a single charge according to WLTP standards. And that's not all. With the Corsa Electric, you have a choice of driving modes. Want to amp up the fun? Switch to Sport mode for an exhilarating experience. Need to maximize your range? Eco mode is your go-to option. Speaking of range, let's talk about the regenerative braking system. When driving in B mode, the Corsa Electric returns most of the energy from braking back to the battery, helping you preserve your range and maximize efficiency. Charging your Corsa Electric is a breeze. You can charge at home using a home wallbox, achieving a full charge in just 7.5 hours. No more trips to the petrol station. And when you're on the road, you'll have access to over 26,000 charging points across the UK. With a 100 kW charging station, you can charge up to 80% of the vehicle's capacity in just 30 minutes. But that's not all. When you choose the Corsa Electric, you also get the convenience of plug and go. It includes the Electric Universe app by Octopus Energy, which combines multiple public charging providers in one app, giving you access to over 300,000 chargers across the UK and Europe. Plus, you'll have roadside assistance and battery warranty for 8 years. Now let's talk about the style. The Corsa Electric Anniversary Edition is a true collector's item. With just 1,000 models built worldwide, each one individually numbered, you'll truly be one in 1,000. From the stunning limited edition black alloy wheels to the checkered sports seats, inspired by our original tartan fabric, this car stands out from the crowd. And don't forget the exclusive 80s style, with the revival of the record red paint. Safety is paramount, and the Corsa Electric has you covered. With a 180-degree panoramic rear-view camera and front and rear parking sensors, parking like a pro is a breeze. Plus, the blind spot alert system ensures you never miss a vehicle in your blind spot again. Inside the Corsa Electric, you'll find comfort and convenience. Stay cozy on cold days with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. And with Vauxhall Connected Services, you can even precondition your Corsa Electric remotely, ensuring the perfect temperature before you even step inside. But let's not forget the exterior. The Corsa Electric boasts a wider, lower, and more dynamic design, with a distinctive grille, bigger air intakes, and integrated daytime running lights. And to top it all off, a stunning black roof. Step inside the Corsa Electric and you'll discover more space and boot room than ever before. The use of lightweight materials gives the car a refined look, while the available 7-inch color touchscreens provide a range of new infotainment systems to keep you connected and entertained. Vauxhall's Corsa Electric doesn't compromise on visibility. With standard LED headlights that are wider and brighter, featuring high beam assist, you'll have excellent visibility without dazzling other drivers. And for even more advanced lighting, the IntelliLux LED matrix headlights automatically adapt to road and driving conditions, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. Finally, let's talk technology. With features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, voice control, and a built-in navigation system, your next adventure is just a touch away. And with the My Vauxhall app, you can access live navigation services, vehicle diagnostic info, and emergency assistance at the touch of a button. The Vauxhall Corsa Electric is not just a car, it's a statement. It represents our commitment to a sustainable future without compromising on style, performance, and innovation. Join us on this electric journey and experience the thrill of driving electric with the Vauxhall Corsa Electric. Visit your nearest Vauxhall dealer today.